In this video, we're going to discuss the different kinds of ads and what you have to do to get those different kinds of ads. But first up, you got advertisers bid based on three methods, and these are clicks or cost per milli, and milli refers to as 1,000. So it'd be cost per 1,000 impressions, meaning with CPM you're only going to pay based on impressions, where the second way we're going to look at here is cost per click. It wouldn't matter if your advertisement was displayed 5 million times, you're not going to pay 1 cent until someone clicks on that actual advertisement. And if you're just trying to get your brand more recognition, this is definitely the way you probably would want to go, because you're not going to have to pay and you're going to get much more recognition for a little amount of money. And last is the third way, is the optimized clicks or cost per milli. And this is the most utilized method that advertisers use today, because the optimized method is what it relates to is getting the action that is desired accomplished, whether it be if you want your page liked or if you want someone to visit your website. This ad will be delivered to people who are most likely to accomplish your goal. And Facebook uses many different things to figure out which people would fit this profile best. And here again, we're talking about a targeted audience. So the OCPM method is the most utilized today in Facebook. CPC clicks, it should be cost per clicks. It's where you only pay when your ad is clicked on, which is what we just talked about earlier. And CPM is cost per milli, which you pay when your Facebook ad has shown 1,000 times to Facebook users. So if you're just wanting to get your brand recognition, then that's going to be probably the best way to go. OCPM is the best method because it allows advertisers to maximize the value they get from their budgets. It's the most commonly used method for advertising on Facebook, and it bids on ads for users who are most likely to complete the action, just as we discussed earlier, whether the action might be liking the page, buying the product, visiting your website, so on and so forth. So that's pretty much the different kinds of advertisements. So hope you enjoyed this one. And you have three concepts that they base to bid on your actual advertisement. And that comes through placement of your ad, targeted audience, and the objective. The three things that we've just been talking about again, and I just wanted to reinforce those again right here at the end, and also show you an example of placement that you can choose from. Of course, you're going to be limited on mobile, but you got anywhere in that red area, and desktop news feed, you can be added into the feed there, and it will also appear on the right column of Facebook, which is a very nice place to advertise. So guys, hope that answered any questions you may have had pertaining to the way Facebook ads were bidded on. We'll see you in the next one.